Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to customize iPhone home screen. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, close your iPhone, open it, and press and hold screen. Then enter your passcode and tap customize. Here you can customize lock screen and you can also customize home screen. Let's customize home screen. Tap on home screen. So here you can change the color. If you want to change the color of home screen, tap on color and tap plus icon and you can select any color you want. For example, if you want to choose this color, you can select lighter or darker. That's it. If you want to change to color gradient, tap on gradient and tap plus and you can select any color gradient you want. And if you want to select a wallpaper of your home screen, tap on photo and here you can select blur or remove blur to your wallpaper. So to select a wallpaper, tap plus and tap photos, and here you can select any wallpaper from your iPhone. For example, I'll select this and you can change the filter if you want. Then tap here and tap extend wallpaper. Perfect. Then done. And that's it. If you want to select blur, you can select blur or remove blur. Then tap done. And now let's check a home screen. Perfect. Now we change the picture of home screen. You can also add lock screen. Tap and press and hold screen and tap customize and tap lock screen. Here you can add any widget you want. For example, if you want to add some widget here, tap on it, remove the widget, and you can add any widget you want. For example, if you want to add widget from Facebook, for example, you want to add notification widget, tap on Facebook and you can select a widget for birthday, top updates, total wish. For example, top updates, you drag and drop it here. If you want to add other widget, close this and for example, you can add a clock widget, drag and drop it. Also, you can add any widget for example from Snapchat, and that's it. You can also adjust the clock. Tap on clock and here you can change font and color of your clock, for example this, and you can adjust. Perfect. Also you can select the color and you can select lighter or darker. Perfect. And here you can also change the appearance of lock screen. Tap here and you can select light or dark, or you can set it automatic. And finally you can also edit this widget and you can select a widget calendar or for example clock, Facebook, fitness, any widget you want. Perfect. After that, tap done. And you can also add a picture for your lock screen. Go to this and tap plus and here you can change any picture you want, for example this, and tap add and set as a wallpaper appear. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.